The ultimate STEM lab. Why school makerspaces are using whiteboard paint for blueprint walls. In today's STEM labs, creativity is limitless, but the tools, not always. Traditional whiteboards are too small. Smartboards? Fragile, and not built for real hands-on innovation. What if the entire wall became your workspace? Welcome to the new STEM lab, powered by remarkable whiteboard paint. It turns ordinary walls into massive blueprint spaces for brainstorming, prototyping, and problem-solving. Students can sketch ideas at full scale, iterate instantly, and collaborate in real time, just like real engineers. These 360-degree writable walls create a space where learning is active, visual, and collaborative, boosting engagement and deeper understanding. From coding logic to engineering designs to complex science models, everything becomes visible, editable, and shared. It's a transformation into a true innovation lab. Think bigger, build smarter, learn together. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.